Good afternoon, everyone. So I went to grab my phone off the charger to go outside and help my boyfriend with our farm. So this is what we do of an afternoon. Hello, doggy. And yeah, I checked my email and I made another 1,033 US dollar commission. This brings my April total income so far to 8,529 US dollars, which is just over 12 grand for me in Australia. All I did today, I woke up at 7, I jumped on my phone after a coffee, of course, and I replied to a couple of DMs, I posted a couple of videos, and I went to the hair salon and spent 3 hours there getting my hair done. It literally blows my mind every day when I get a commission because I only spend like 1 to 2 hours a day on this business, and it is working passively for me. I am making money without doing much at all. None of this would be possible without my mentor and his affiliate marketing program, where he teaches you exactly what you need to do to be successful in affiliate marketing. I am no one special. I just followed a proven method from my mentor, and he's actually giving away a free $1,000 program. If you want that, check out that link below to access the free course.